You're watching Afternoon Live. Let's get a weather even update. Sarah Keith Lucas is here. That's a remarkable picture. That is not here. That's where? California.
That's right, Sam. Yeah, this is California. They've had some huge electrical storms, particularly Tuesday and on into Wednesday as well. So these images actually were captured by a news helicopter hovering above Los Angeles there. So, in fact, the storms were so active that there were 1,500 flashes of lightning recorded in just 5 minutes there. So very active storms.
Now, with lightning comes rain.
Yeah, that's right, Simon. So further north across California, we've got some more images. Now, this is the flash flooding that they've seen here, associated with those same storms, in fact, and pretty similar areas that were affected by wildfires as well. So they had the wildfires that burnt a lot of the vegetation, and that exacerbates the problems with flash flooding. So heavy rain, just moving across those areas with bare vegetation, and more of it to come for California too.
So that's the West Coast. We were talking with Mel yesterday about the East Coast, where it's getting very cold. There's a lot happening in America at the moment.
Yeah, that's right. There's a lot happening. They've got big contrast in temperatures, some really stormy weather as well. So also pretty unsettled this side of the Atlantic.
Is it? You better tell us what's in store.
Nothing quite as dramatic as that. But here we've had a lot of blustery showers around through the course of the day. This picture from Guernsey shows a big cumulonimbus cloud. So we've had hail, we've had a bit of lightning through the English Channel as well. And through the rest of the afternoon, we keep that really windy, showery sort of theme, and things are starting to feel colder too, and that's down to the fact that low pressure is drifting off towards the east. Still lots of isobars on the map, and these cold northerly winds developing. So the blue colours returning. It's going to be a much colder night tonight than we saw last night with that northerly wind. Still plenty of showers though out there at the moment, particularly across central and eastern parts of England, through Wales as well. Some of those showers for Scotland falling as snow over the higher ground. But equally, there is a bit of sunshine, so things are brightening up from the west through the afternoon. Temperatures in single figures across Scotland, feeling colder when you add on the strength of that wind. In the black circles, these are the likely wind gusts that we're going to be seeing. So up to around 50 miles per hour, very windy conditions, cloudy and pretty damp across the bulk of England and Wales. But I think along the south coast, you are likely to see some glimpses of sunshine, still a few scattered blustery showers, and certainly feeling pretty windy. So moving through into the evening, and at last we'll lose those showers, so things will dry up, skies will clear and the winds will ease as well. So with that combination, it means a colder night ahead. We're certainly likely to see a frost, especially in the north. Temperatures even in the towns and cities getting down to around -2 or -3 degrees. We could see -6 or -7 in the countryside. But after that chilly start, there will be some sunshine to see in the morning, but the cloud will move in from the west tomorrow quite quickly. That'll bring some splashes of rain across Northern Ireland, then into Wales and western parts of England, into southern Scotland too, and then the rain turns increasingly to snow once again over Highlands Scotland. Eastern England stays largely dry and bright for a good part of the day, but wherever you are, it is not going to be feeling particularly warm. And then looking ahead on into the weekend, still unsettled, more weather fronts moving their way in from the Atlantic. We've got quite an active jet stream bringing us these successive areas of low pressure. So through the course of the weekend, still unsettled, it's still quite windy. It'll feel fairly chilly, and there'll be some rain showers, perhaps a bit of hill snow to come in the north, but equally some sunny spells, so not a complete write-off through the weekend. Bit of a mixed bag. Your best bet of staying dry and bright will be towards the south and east.